GameSir's new Pocket 1 vertical controller offers Game Boy-style controls in a compact design. The GameSir Pocket 1 Vertical is a compact wireless controller designed for retro gaming on the go. Priced at $29.99, it clips to the bottom of a smartphone and adds Game Boy-style controls complete with a D-pad, a BX/Y buttons, and shoulder buttons. Hot on the heels of its G8 Plus MF iPhone controller, GameSir $79.99 at Amazon launch. GameSir has released another mobile controller, this time designed exclusively for portrait gaming. Specifically, the new Pocket 1 Vertical is a clamp-on controller that clips to the bottom half of Android phones for retro gaming on the go. Visually, it resembles half of a Game Boy, with the upper portion of the phone screen serving as the display. GameSir first showcased this controller at the Tokyo Game Show in September, alongside the Zenless Zone Zero G7 Pro, GameSir, $129.99 at Amazon. Unlike most telescopic controllers, though, such as the G8 Plus MFI, which are designed for landscape play, the Pocket 1 Vertical only supports portrait mode. Moreover, GameSir says it's compatible with Android phones and other compatible smartphones, which could include iPhones, as it connects via Bluetooth. The GameSir Pocket 1 Vertical comes in a classic gray finish similar to the original Game Boy. It includes start and select buttons, and a similar D-pad. GameSir has also added Membrana BX/Y buttons, along with tactile switch triggers and bumpers on the back. Additionally, gamers can remap all the buttons through the GameSir app or even switch to a keyboard mode. The controller opens up to fit different smartphones and stays in place with a secure clamp. It connects over Bluetooth and has a cutout at the bottom for charging your phone while gaming. On top of that, it packs a 600 mAh rechargeable battery, but still remains fairly compact and lightweight at 62.2 grams and 3.07 x 2.79 x 0.81 inches. Other features include turbo support along with full G-Touch and V-Touch support. Interestingly, 8BitDo has also announced a similar portrait-style controller called the FlipPad, with a comparable button layout. However, it lacks shoulder buttons and connects directly to the phone via USB-C. That said, the GameSir Pocket 1 Vertical goes up against other mobile controllers such as the Absolute M4 Snap-on controller and the Micon Magnetic controller. The GameSir Pocket 1 Vertical is now available for pre-order for $29.99 through GameSir's website.